can't believe I'm saying this, but we got to pack my room. Today is Thursday, June 12th. Today's the actual day that we're supposed to be out of this house, but can't pack a house that fast in 3 days. So I'm gonna start packing my stuff today because we're gonna be out by the end of this week, obviously. But yeah, it's 10:02 and I was packing the living room and stuff because my mom's at work, so I was getting that done for her. And I was like, I'm gonna take a break and I just packed my room up. So only today I'm just start taking down like all of my decorations, which are gonna be so sad. Oh my gosh. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Jada. Welcome to my channel. This is my second move, which is crazy because we've only been in this house for 3 months. If you watched my previous video, you know what happened. If you watch my TikTok, you know the full depth of what's going on. But basically, if you don't know what's going on, short story, our rent lady short sold our house, so we gotta move. Yeah, so we're gonna just take down all of my decorations today. And I'm so sad because I love this room. I was so excited to get back into my own space just for us to move again, but hey, it's fine, it's fine. We're just gonna start taking down decorations, so let's go. I have this box, even though I know it's not gonna fit all of my decorations, but just like the little decorations, like the little trinkets and stuff that are like on my shelves and like here, maybe on my desk. So we're gonna start taking those down, putting it in the box. I'm so sad, y'all. I love this room. Like, okay guys, so all of my walls are bare. I took everything down. I placed some over here and some here, and that's glass that I need to get some newspaper for in order to pack. And then my desk is a little but it's okay. I think that's all I'm gonna do for today because I just want to get my decorations out the way. But I know tomorrow I'll get pack up all of my clothes and stuff and shoes. Yeah, I gotta fix my closet because let me show y'all. This is how she looks. She looks a mess, but we'll deal with her tomorrow because it'll be easier. But I just wanted to get that out the way today, and I gotta put another box together to just finish packing up the rest of the stuff. Hey guys, good morning. It is a Saturday. It's been 2 days since I last filmed the other clip of me taking off all of my decorations and stuff. But today we're going to get some more boxes and trash bags and stuff because we got to get this house packed up. It's a lot. I need to obviously take out all of my clothing, pack my shoes. I packed more boxes. I packed up the rest of my carpet, my decor, and all that stuff. And in those bags are like my skincare and hair care and like all the extra stuff that was on top of my desk. What we have to do today. And we got this storage, so we're going to be starting moving stuff to the storage and getting it done because we're trying to be out by Sunday night, which I think we will because we don't really have a lot to do in this house. In our old house we had a lot of stuff, but in this house we didn't take that much, which thank God we didn't. But yeah, so yeah, it is 9:18, so it's early. We're gonna get an early start and get this done. Back home, we got boxes and we went to Dollar General to get like detergent and stuff so we can start washing. But I have one box in here to start taking out my clothes and start just putting clothes in here and keeping some that I need. But like all of my long sleeves and all that are gonna go in a box because it's too hot and I don't really need it. So I have a box. Gonna put this box together, start getting stuff out of my closet and doing it like that. This is how my closet is looking. She looks rough, but I'm just start taking stuff out and placing it in the box. Okay, so this is what I'm taking to the storage, and these I'm taking to the storage as well. This is going in the storage, just a box of my like room decor, more room decor that's going in the storage, and this stuff right here is going with me. So I have my skincare and all that stuff in those bags. Extra clothes that I'm gonna keep with me. And so the closet, well, the clothes are empty. I just have to pack up my shoes, and my closet is done, and then pack up the glass, because I wanted to do that last. The last items of clothing that I have to get is my little drawers here with my underwear and all of that stuff, socks and bathing suits, and all of my tights here. So I'm gonna pack that as well, that I'm taking with me. We got the U-Haul. I'm following behind my mom now. We're headed back to our house so that we can start packing it up and, you know, doing all that stuff. The only thing left I have to do in my room is pack up my shoes in a box. That's literally it. And like obviously put my furniture and stuff, you know, in there. But we're putting the heavy stuff first, like in our house, inside of the U-Haul, and then go to the storage and do all of that stuff. Hey y'all, it is literally 1:20. Me and my mom have been moving stuff all morning. We took all of our furniture and stuff to the storage, our couches and all that. We just have me and her bed frame literally to do. This is how my room is looking. Just my bed frame. My clothes I'm taking with me. My walls are empty. My closet is cleaned out. So my room is basically finished. Literally everything's done. I just have to pack my clothes and stuff that I'm taking with me in my car. And then we have boxes and stuff to put, like, to pack up and start putting in our cars to take to the storage. But yeah, we're gonna be done today. We're gonna be finished today. And yeah, so I'm just giving you guys an update of what's currently going on. I'm so tired. I'm hot. Very tired though. But yeah.